Hi and welcome. In today's episode of Rempah Ratus Kitchen, I will be sharing with you the recipe for a traditional Kerala dish made with delicious ripe mangoes that is cooked in a flavorful yogurt gravy. It is called Mambazha Pulisshery. In some parts of Kerala, it is called Mambazha Kalan. So come, let's start cooking. I have here 2 ripe and delicious mangoes weighing 840 grams. I'm now going to peel the skin of these good-looking mangoes. The Mambazha Pulisshery is creamy, sweet and a little sour. The sweetness is from the ripe mango, the tartness from the yogurt, and the creaminess is from the yogurt and the coconut that is ground and cooked together with the mango and yogurt. These mangoes are so ripe that I'm having difficulty peeling them. Here they are, the peeled mangoes. I am now going to cut these mangoes for the pot. These mangoes are so ripe and juicy that it's getting messy in here. The delicious juice is all over my hands and the fragrance of these mangoes is just hitting my nose. I tell you, I really can't wait to eat this mango yogurt curry. Five bird's eye chilies to give heat to the curry. Let's put this aside. 1 cup of grated coconut and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I've ground the coconut and cumin into a paste. The mangoes are going into a pan to be cooked together with a little bit of turmeric powder and chili powder. Pour water into the pot to just about cover the ripe mangoes. Give it a stir prior to adding the turmeric and chili powders. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder makes its entrance, followed by 1 teaspoon of chili powder, the green bird's eye chilies, and a stalk of curry leaves. Now stir to combine the ingredients. Let's turn the stove on now. Add salt to taste, increase the flame to high and boil until the gravy comes to a boil. The mangoes have been cooking on a moderate flame for about 10 minutes since the water came to a boil. The water has also reduced sufficiently. I'm breaking the mango pulp up so that the gravy will have a smoother texture. The ground coconut and cumin mixture goes into the gravy now. Let's now combine the coconut and cumin mixture with the mango. Stir until the gravy becomes homogeneous. Then cover and cook until the coconut loses its raw smell. The curry has been cooking for 3 minutes on a medium flame. The coconut paste has lost its raw smell, so let's add the yogurt mixture. What I have here is 3 cups of yogurt that I mixed with sufficient water to make up a yogurt mixture of 500 ml. Let's stir everything together. Once the yogurt is added, we must remove the curry from the fire just as it comes to a boil. I'm turning off the flame, covering the pot and letting the curry rest. Place the tadka pan on the fire and pour 2.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds into the hot oil. Half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. 4 dried red chilies and 2 stalks of curry leaves. Turn the stove off when the tadka is done. Now pour the tadka into the curry. Give the mango curry a stir to bring all the ingredients together. Cover and let the Mambazha Kalan rest.